Welcome back, guys. Long time no see. Sorry we haven't been uploading recently, but we had a lot of different things to do. We have insulation, thinsulate arriving, which we will do a review on because the seller is really nice. Also, we bought the new trims for the outside of the van. We have a new vent, we have a solar system also indoors. There's a lot of things. So today I cut down the bits around there. I'm gonna leave it this way because it's gonna be really nice and cozy indoors afterwards. And there's no water gonna come through, nothing like that. And today we're gonna be doing a thinsulate. We're gonna glue it onto the walls and whatnot. Also, quick thing, I'm gonna be in a mask from now on because during this whole week I lost my tooth. And because of coronavirus, I cannot get my new tooth put in. So I'm gonna be in a mask so I can still film the videos. Enjoy the time lapse.